Hi, everyone. Today we have an easy story to help you practice English. Let's begin.
Once upon a time, in a quiet mountain temple, there lived a young monk named Tomo. He was 12 years old with a round face, short black hair, and kind brown eyes. He wore a simple gray robe and wooden sandals. Every day he helped sweep the temple, read old scrolls, and practiced meditation. Tomo loved the temple, but he also dreamed of seeing the world beyond the mountains. One morning, the head monk, Master Rin, gave Tomo a small satchel and said, "Tomo, you are ready. Go into the world, learn with your heart, and return with wisdom." Tomo bowed deeply and began his journey down the mountain path, feeling excited and nervous. Tomo entered a thick green forest. Birds sang above, and the wind made the leaves dance. But as night came, strange whispers filled the air. Tomo was scared but remembered Master Rin's words. Fear is a teacher too. He lit a small lantern and walked slowly. Then he saw a deer caught in vines. The whispers stopped. Tomo rushed to help. After freeing the deer, it bowed its head and vanished into the trees. Suddenly, the forest grew quiet and warm. Tomo had passed his first test by showing kindness and fear. The next day, Tomo reached a small village. Children played and people laughed, but the village had a problem. The river was blocked, and crops were dying. The villagers were kind, but sad. Tomo asked if he could help. Using what he learned from the temple, he built a small bamboo dam to guide the water again. After some hard work, water flowed once more. The villagers cheered. A little girl gave Tomo a flower. He smiled, feeling joy in helping others. Tomo continued his journey and climbed a windy cliff to reach a wise old monk named Elder Tao. When he reached the top, the wind howled loudly and rocks rolled. Elder Tao welcomed him and asked, "Can you walk across this narrow log over the cliff?" Tomo was afraid but tried. Halfway, the wind pushed hard and he almost fell. Elder Tao shouted, "Balance is not just of the body but of the mind." Tomo closed his eyes, breathed slowly, and took steady steps. He made it across. Elder Tao smiled. "You are learning well." After many days, Tomo returned to the temple. Master Rin was waiting with a warm smile. Tomo bowed and said, "I learned fear, kindness, joy, and balance." Master Rin nodded. "And what is the greatest treasure you found?" Tomo thought and answered, "The journey itself. It taught me more than any book." From that day, Tomo helped teach other young monks. His adventure had made him wiser, not because he became stronger, but because he learned